so that you can put it over your nipple before you lay down the adhesive. This will make, I'm not even looking at the camera. I'm looking at you.
I was looking for your question.
I was looking at you. I was talking to you guys. Hello, and welcome back to Bra Talk with Honeylove. I'm Sophie, your host.
And I'm Talon, Honeylove's social media manager.
And today we are talking about backless clothing. So, Talon, have you ever been shopping and seen the perfect dress or top, and then your first thought is, how the heck am I supposed to wear this if I have boobs?
Yes, every single time I go shopping, I see a top I love, but then it turns out it's backless.
I got hot in the face and was kind of mad.
Yes, it is an epidemic, but do not fear because there are so many creative ways that you can get the lift and support that you need without having anything covering your back.
Oh, that would be amazing. Having something where I don't need to wear a bra could change my life and my style.
So let's go to the design room and meet up with Vlada, who's going to walk us through all these really creative solutions. Welcome to the design room. I'm here with Vlada, our bra expert.
Hi guys, I'm Vlada and I'm one of the bra designers here at Honeylove.
And our beautiful model, Melissa.
Hi, I'm Melissa and I'm excited to try stuff on today.
And we are going to learn a little bit more about solutions for open and low back tops and dresses. So first, Vlada's going to teach us all the tips and tricks, and then Melissa is going to demo them for us. Let's dive in. So today we're answering one of our most popular questions, which is, what the heck do you wear with a backless top or dress if you need support?
Well, this is definitely a juicy topic because nowadays we just have so many cute styles that you see online, especially on this model that looks amazing. But if you have any sort of boobs that need support in the least bit, then what do you wear with it, right?
So today we are going to find solutions once and for all. Let's go ahead and start with this low back bra.
So this is going to be your most supportive option out of all of these. So especially the larger chested gals will love this. It's going to really wrap low around your kind of waist and rib cage and bring all of that support, kind of like a corset would. The only thing about this is you may not want to wear it with something that's a little too bodycon because it may have a little bit more build to give you that support and that lift. But this is an amazing option if you just have something with a little bit of a lower back. So think like cute wedding dress, ceremonies, things like that.
Yeah, I could see this working for something that has just a slightly low back. If you have a total open back, you probably need a different option, but this is awesome.
Yeah, great piece.
Let's meet back up with Melissa and have her try this on. So the first bra that we're starting out with is a low back strapless bra. And so usually with bras and strapless bras, the majority of the support comes from the band. But in this case, the band is lower so that you can wear something with a lower back, which means you have a much longer bodice to help capture some of that extra support that you're no longer getting from the back of the band. So if you turn to the back, you can see the back of the band goes all the way down here, whereas a regular strapless bra would probably hit right around here. So this is a perfect solution for anything that has a kind of dip in the back. You may not be able to wear this with a totally open back, but for most things, this will do the job. So Melissa, what do you think about this bra?
I think this is a really nice bra. I get really excited when I see bodice bras because I love the way it gives me support and cinches me in. I don't think it's perfect for a completely open back, but I think for something that's a mid back, it's a great option.
So let's go ahead and put this bra to the test. I brought some shirts for us to try on, and we'll see how well this low back strapless bra holds up to a complicated shirt.
So the next product we're going to be showing you guys is this fun little booby tape. So this one is very versatile. So it's amazing for all types of breasts and all types of customers. If you want to get a nice lift, if you want to kind of position your breasts in whatever way suits the style that you're wearing, you basically scoop on the underside of your breast and then lift into position. So it's a really amazing product. You can kind of lift for cleavage. You can separate if you have an amazing plunging neckline. And it really just works across everybody. It's like a little boob job in a box.
Well, I can tell you from experience, I have worn this to almost every wedding that I've attended, and it's incredible. You can really customize the fit to your body type exactly.
A couple little tips we did want to call out to you guys is if you have really sensitive skin, it has the adhesive backside, you may just want to be careful. And if you're somebody that has a really relaxed breast, just kind of be mindful when you're taping and shaping your breast because the skin can start to kind of fold on itself a little bit. Keep those in mind and have fun with it.
Let's meet back up with Melissa, who's going to demonstrate 2 popular ways you can use the boob tape. So now we're going to do some boob tape demonstrations. There are 4 key things to know before you get started. Number 1 is to find a nipple cover like this that you can place over your nipple before you lay down the adhesive to make it much easier to take off at the end. Number 2 is to unpeel the tape as you go to avoid the dreaded tape tangle. Number 3, don't wear any lotions or oils on your skin that can impact the effectiveness of the adhesive. And number 4, always patch test the adhesive on your skin before you lay it down on your sensitive body parts.
So the next thing we're going to show you guys is this amazing adhesive bra. So you can see it's got this nice sticky inside and the little adjuster on the front. And these are amazing because it's so easy to wear and they're very versatile. If you have a completely backless dress, if you have something with a low neckline or maybe even some cutouts, this is going to be your go-to. So you really just adhere it to your breasts and then you use the little tension at the center front to kind of tighten and give yourself some cleavage and some lift. So these are usually best for people with smaller to medium-sized breasts. If you are somebody that has a larger, heavier breast that just needs a little more support, I would maybe steer towards one of our other options. But this one is generally amazing, very versatile, and super easy to wear. If you are somebody that has really sensitive skin, the adhesive may irritate you just a little bit, so watch out for that. But other than that, you're good to go.
Well, let's meet up with Melissa and try this one on. The best part about a sticky bra is that you can adjust them in the center to create extra tension and lift. So you'll stick 1 pad on each breast, then adjust the center to get that lift. Let's try it on.
The last product we have for you guys is going to be this bra band extender. So picture something like this, except it's going to be much longer. So this hook and eye hooks onto your current bra and then it wraps around the front of your body to secure it in place and then just hooks right back up to the other side of your bra. So it's going to really secure everything in place. And if you have a really low back, this is perfect for that. We also wanted to show you guys a little hack. So if you don't want to buy something like an extender, you might be able to use your convertible bra straps and kind of wrap it around your body in a similar fashion. So Melissa will show you that.
For our last trick, you're going to need either a bra strap extender or a bra with removable straps just like this. And you're going to extend the bra strap to as long as it will go. And then you're going to wrap it around your body and secure it in the front. So the tension is coming from the front instead of the support coming from the back. Melissa is going to demonstrate. Thank you, Vlada, for walking us through all these awesome options. Have you tried any of these methods? Did any of these tips surprise you? Let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you next time. Bye! Thanks so much for watching Bra Talk with Honeylove.
If you need more information, go ahead and click the link below.
Got questions, comments, feedback? Leave it in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe.
And as always,
Just say no to bad bras.